5.0 SCFM at 90 psi allows for quick compressor recovery times. 78 dBA, tested per ISO 3744, operational noise level for a quieter work environment. Ehp Efficient high-pressure technology delivers exceptional air tool runtimes. Oil-free, maintenance-free pump for convenient use. Efficient high-pressure motor allows the compressor to be run with an extension cord, 12 GA, or heavier, 50 feet, or less, due to consistent amp draw requirements of the compressor. DEWALT Workshop Air Compressor, portable, vertical, 1.6 horsepower power, 120 V, 15 gallons capacity, 160 psi operating, 200 psi maximum, 5 SCFM at 90 psi, 1/4 in FNPT outlet, 78 dBA, oil-free pump, 1750 RPM pump, universal motor, belt drive, robust dual-purpose handle, 1000 hours, steel cylinder, 24 1/2 in overall length, 22 in overall width, 44 3/4 in overall height. Includes control panel, roll cage, hose storage and ball drain valve. Standards, all listed.